Dear students, today we will discuss the topic functions. This concept you have already studied in 11th standard. Okay. Now today we will discuss the types of function. First type is 1-1, on-to and inverse function. Okay, so let's begin. First of all, we will discuss the meaning of functions. So see the definition here. A function f from a set A to set B, it is written as like this: f from A to B is a relation which associates for each element x in A a unique element y in set B. So first of all, you must know about the relation. What is the relation? Relation indicates that the element of set A is related with the element of set B. That relation is called as function if each element of A must be related with unique element of set B. Okay, so in short, how will you define function? It is a relation f from A to B. It is said to be a function if every element in set A must have unique image in set B. The element, every element must be related with the unique element of set B. That is called as function. Okay, so now we will discuss the types of function, in which very important type, that is 1-1 function, or it is also called as injective function. Now see the definition of 1-1 function. A function f from A to B is said to be 1-1 or injective if different elements in A have different images in B. Means, see the definition here again. Different elements in A means there are, suppose, some elements in A, all are different elements, are related with different images in B. So see here, f of A is what? F of A is called as image of A. F of B is called as image of B. Okay, so if f of A is equal to f of B, then A must be equal to B. Or in short, if A and B are different, see here, A is not equal to B. So A and B are elements in A. So A and B are different, then their images are also different. So this is the concept of 1-1 function. See this Venn diagram. Okay, set A contains 4 elements A, B, C, D, and suppose set B contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements. Then see here, every element of A is related with unique and different element of B. See here, A is related with 1, B is related with 2, C is related with 4, and D is related with 3. As A, B, C, D, all 4 elements are different here, so they have different images here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So every element is related with the element in set B and having different images, okay, in set B. So see here, A is not equal to B, that implies f of A is not equal to f of B. Then that type of function is called as 1-1 function. See this Venn diagram carefully. Okay, you will get the clear idea about 1-1 function. It is also called as injective function. Okay, so see here, A, B, C, D, 4 elements, and 4 different elements are related with 4 different images, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now next type is onto function, or it is also called as surjective function. Now see what is the definition of that function, onto function. A function f from A to B is said to be onto or surjective if every element y in B is an image of some x in A. means this is related with the element in set B. The set B is called as codomain set and set A is called as domain set. So every element Y, suppose in B, is an image of some x in A. Okay, previously in this example, this is 1 function. See here, phi u is not related with any element of set A, means phi u is not an image of any element of set A. This is possible in case of 1 function, but in case of onto function, every element Y in B is an image of some x in A. Okay, or you can say that Y in B has pre-image x in A. So see here, the image of A can be denoted by f of A. F of A is called as image, means this set is called as set of images of A. So f of A is equal to y belongs to B, such that y is equal to f of x for some x belongs to A. So f of A is called as the range of A, remember, and we know that f of A is subset of codomain of F, codomain of that function. And in case of onto function, that set of images must be equal to codomain of F. Otherwise f of A is always subset of codomain. Okay, f of A is what? F of A is the set of all images. And in case of any function, f of A is always subset of codomain. But in particular, in case of onto function, f of A is equal to, means set f of A is equal to codomain set. Okay, so let us see by Venn diagram. You will get a clear idea by this Venn diagram. See, here A is related with 1, B is related with 2, C is related with 3, D is related with 4. See here, this set B is important. B is called as codomain set. Now there are 4 elements. So if you observe this definition, then every element Y in B, means every element in B, see here, there are 4 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4, is an image of some x in A. See here, every element of B is an image of some element in A. See here, 1 is image of A, 2 is image of B, 3 is image of C, and 4 is image of D. Okay, so all elements in B are image of some element in A. So if you observe this type of function, then that function is called as onto function. Now if you observe this diagram, then this function is also 1 function also. By the definition of 1, A is related with 1, B is related with 2, C is related with 3, and D is related with 4. Every different element have different images. Okay, so this Venn diagram is applicable for 1 as well as in particular for onto function also. Okay, so in case of onto function, f of A, means this is the set of images, f of A is equal to codomain of F. So codomain is what? Codomain means set B. So set B and set of images 1, 2, 3, 4 are images. So set of images and codomain set both are equal. Then that type of function is called as onto function. Okay. Now we will discuss about we will discuss this concept by some Venn diagrams. Okay, now see this function f3 function from A to B. Now see this function, A is related in this function, A is related with 1, B is related with 1, C is related with 2, D is related with 3. Now if you observe this, then A and B, these two elements are related with 1. So A and B are different, but image of A and B is 1. means same image, they have same image. A and B are different but image is same. So this is not possible in case of one function. So this is not one function, it is many to one function. Many elements are related with an element of set B. So A and B are different, it is related with 1. Okay, so this is not 1, but this is onto function. Why this is onto function? See the set B. In the set B there are 3 elements and all 3 elements are images of some elements in A. 1 is an image of A and B, 2 is an image of C, and 3 is an image of D. So all 3 elements are images of some elements. So by definition this function f3 function is onto function, but it is not one function. Okay, so see here f3 is not one. Not one means it is many to one. Remember, not one means many to one, but onto, it is onto function. Okay, so see this Venn diagram by which you will observe the type of the function. So f3 is not 1 but onto. Now see another diagram for the function f4 from A to B. Set A contains A, B, C, D 4 elements and set B contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements. Now think about 1 function. Is it 1? See, check here. A, image of A is 2. Image of B is also 2. So A and B are different elements, but both A and B have same image, that is 2 here. So by the definition of 1, different elements in set A must have different images in set B. It is not given here, so this is not 1 function. Okay, so check the definition of 1 function here. So we can say that this is not 1 function. Now check for onto function. Now the set B contains 5 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. By the definition of onto function, all the elements in set B must have the images of some elements in set A. So here 1 is not an image of any element, or 5 is not an image of any element. So this is not onto function. Okay, so what will you write? f4 is neither 1 nor onto. Okay, so remember this, f4 is neither 1 nor onto. If you want to check 1 then think about domain set, and if you want to check about onto function then check codomain set as per the given definition. Okay, so what can you say about f4 function? f4 is many 1, means not 1 means many 1, because many elements here, there 2 elements are related with single element here, so it is called as many 1. And not onto means into. Not onto means it is called as into function. So neither 1 nor onto means many 1 and into function. Okay. Now if any function is 1 as well as onto, means both, if it satisfies the condition of 1 as well as onto, then the inverse function exists. Okay, so let us see the definition of inverse function. See, definition says that suppose f from A to B is 1 and onto function both, means it is injective as well as surjective function. Suppose the function is given f of x is equal to y. Function is written as y is equal to f of x or f of x is equal to y for x belongs to A. F of x is an image of x and it is denoted by y. So generally the function is written like this, f of x is equal to y or y is equal to f of x. if the function is 1 1 as well as onto, then the inverse exists. See here, the inverse function, how will you write the inverse function? F inverse from B to A. See here, original function is from A to B, its inverse function F inverse, it is from B to A, is defined as F inverse y is equal to x. If f of x is equal to y, means if the original function is f of x is equal to y, then its inverse is f inverse y is equal to x. See here, x, letter x is used for element in set A and letter y is used for element in set B. That's why it is written like this, f of x is equal to y and f inverse y is equal to x. Okay, so this is the definition of inverse function. For the existence of inverse function, the original function must be 1 1 and onto both. Now see the diagram here. For the function f, see here, for the function f, this is the domain set. This is domain set. A is called as domain set, and this set B is called as range of f, because range contains all elements which are images. Okay, so range of f is same as B because it is onto function. So this is domain of function f and this is the range of function f. And in case of inverse function, this is the domain of inverse, means B becomes domain and A becomes range. Okay, f is 1 1 and onto, f inverse is also 1 1 and onto. So f and f inverse are inverses of each other. Okay, so see this Venn diagram. Okay, now let us take one example. See, suppose f from A to B is given as y is equal to f of x is equal to x square. Now if you want to define this function, then we have to define the set A and set B. Now domain set A is equal to, suppose it contains 4 elements, 1 2 3 4. There are 4 elements in set A, and codomain is equal to range B. B contains 1 4 9 16, only 4 elements. See here, 1 is, by the definition of this function is what? Y is equal to f of x is equal to x square. So image of 1 is 1, 1 square means 1. Image of 2 is 4, 2 square means 4. Image of 3 is 3 square, that is 9. Image of 4, that is 4 square, that is 16. So every element in set A, every different element in set A have different images in set B. So it follows that this is 1 1 function, because image of 1 is 1, image of 2 is 4, image of 3 is 9, image of 4 is 16. Okay, and if you think about onto function, then 1 is an image of 1, 4 is an image of 2, 9 is an image of 3 and 16 is an image of 4. So set B contains 4 elements and all 4 elements are images of some elements in set A. That's why this function follows the condition of 1 1 as well as onto function. So the domain set is important and codomain set is important to identify the type of the given function. If the given function is f of x is equal to x square and the domain set is given like this and the codomain set is given like this, then you can think about whether it is 1 1 or onto function. Okay, so hence we can say that this function is 1 1 as well as onto function. So what about inverse now? See, original function is y is equal to f of x is equal to x square. Then here, as per the definition of inverse function, the inverse exists, that is f inverse from B to A. Okay, so how will you write the inverse function? Such that, see here, original function is y is equal to x square. How will you make the inverse of it? You have to write x is equal to f inverse y, that is equal to root y. So y is equal to x square root, and write x is equal to root y. So this is the inverse of this function. Okay, so for the existence of inverse, the function must be 1 1 as well as onto function. Okay, so clear the idea of inverse function by this example. Okay, thank you.